Well, these glasses are more than dirt. That's why I see quite nothing. I have to wash them. Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel for the 12th video for the construction of this wonderful car that is going very far from the standard one. I'm making a lot of improvements, changements, upgrades. If you're interested, in the description all the links, all the videos from the unboxing up to now. The last time I made the front fenders, first the rear fenders, and the problem of this model is that is a shell absolutely empty in the rear part overall, and I made these two, but in the middle there's the problem, because I already told in all my videos, but for the newcomers I repeat, listen well please, pay attention. Here there's the gearbox in the real one, and around the gearbox there's a sort of carter, a protection that it doesn't protect the gearbox, but makes a good airflow. And this conic is quite difficult to realize. In this car I use a lot of aluminum, just for change, no more plastic. And the problem is to have something over which, with a hammer, give the shape to this carter. I think this at the moment is the thing that can help me. Wonderful could be a metal cone. You hammer around the cone, your aluminum sheet, and then you cut at the dimensions you want, and so on. So today I want to do this particular structure and close with the rear parts. Last work will be interiors, and I'm waiting for the pilot from England, but it's Christmas, and from England, Brexit, what a mistake made British people with Brexit. And everything is more expensive for us and for them, and there are a lot of problems, custom problems. Perhaps the pilot is here in Italy at the airport, but it's stopped in and I don't want to say, but Italians are not so clever in working. Okay. Let's try to see how he's hammering over this without destroying. I cover with something. Today is the day before the last day of the year, and I'm here speaking with you. That's why I would like you to subscribe, comment, and push. And don't forget the bell, because you don't have the notification. Also with the bell, YouTube doesn't give you notice of new video, not at everyone. So if you click the bell, it's more possible you don't lose my super interesting videos. Happy New Year. Okay, it could be quite nice, yes. It's not perfect, obviously, but there's something under the body. Then I have to paint in black and to finish. This is absolutely not like the original, but similar. And this is an RC car. It's not a 12418 model, static model. So, to me, it's good enough. Before painting, clean with nitro in order to not have grease. I don't use primers because I'm lazy. Of course, primers could be better. Inside and outside painting. Thin layers, more than one. Let dry, then again, then turn upside down 2 times, 3rd times outside. Making good works requires time. Naturally, this piece is not finished like that. I've closed this part using a little bit of epoxy down there, gluing epoxy. And now this part has to be in the body color. Before I finish to cover this, and here I spray white or primer, then with brush blue. And now let it dry. The most part of the time is spent drying paintings. And these are all the pieces for the rear central structure. I tried to make something like the original, but for an RC car, so it's more easy, less complicated. There's no the gearbox, of course, but it's similar. For some reasons, it will recall you the original one. I prepared this to put here over. This to be cutted from here to the frame. You will see. I think it will be nice. And voila. Nice. Perfect. You know this trick? This I have to finish. Perfect. Now, flat, both sides, hole, screws, mount, and the work is done. And for today, my friends, you had your measure of Nani video. Et les voilà. Very nice. And how it looks. Now it's a real 956. Look at the real one and look at this one. Fantastic, perfect. Now the model is no more empty. Yes, there are a lot of holes, but once I made the interiors, also that part will be closed. And yes, I'm satisfied. This is scratch built. It's not perfect. Aluminum, it's not the best way to realize an RC upgrade. But my question is, Tamiya, first in the world for quality, plastic models, best, the top factory. Why don't give with the body and all the body pieces also these parts? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, of course, it's quite expensive, but you made me pay $20 more, 20 pounds, 20 euros, 20 Swiss francs, I don't know, but I pay it for something like this. Or something better. This is not the best, okay? And, of course, I'm very happy about this. Yes. Also for today is all. I'm very happy about my work. The car is coming out exactly as I wanted. Very, very happy. Now I have to do this part. This is, whoop, a hole, a terrible hole with wiring and frame parts, not nice to see. In the next video I will do the interiors. The pilot is not yet here. No matter. First I do the interiors. And an idea came out from this matter. Why not to put the pilot in the way you can take it out? Because when you have the car in display, it's quite ridiculous to see a person at the drive. Take pilot apart. Maybe one pilot for all cars, like the RC. Modular things. Very, very happy. This is the first day of the new year. As usual, my best wishes to you all. But I have to say something. Nothing is changed. It's just like the 24th of August. No, it's not so hot. But the thing is that we have to change. Think it over. Comment, like and subscribe. This is the first change. Ciao!